Hello folks, welcome to Tech. Today I will be going over the installation of Microsoft Projects application software. So let's get into the training. I'll open up my browser, use Chrome, and here I will type in Office Customization Tool in the search bar and go with the first option, Microsoft 365 Apps Admin Center. So open that, and so in this place it gives us the option to customize our application for download. So based on your system architecture, here I will leave it on 64 bits. So here it gives you the option. There are many volume licenses, so I will choose Microsoft 365 for enterprise. So based on this, you can choose whatever application that you want. So I will go with Project Professional 24. So here you can leave it at default, and under the version, make sure you're choosing the latest because you want the most recent updated software. So here again, it leaves you the option to customize. You can turn on or turn off which application you want to install and which you do not want to install. So continue next, and here we will do language English United States. Do next. Can leave all these on default. Next. And you want to make sure that this is turned on. Automatically check for updates so that your project is always, your applications are always updating. Next. And you want to automatically accept the license because you can use a license without agreeing. So we'll do next and next. So here we are almost done customizing our office, so finish that. So once that's done, come here on the corner and do export, and we will choose Office Open XML format. Click OK, accept license, and you can leave the name as default or change to your preference. We'll do export. So now our project application XML file package has been exported. So we'll open that folder. So this folder, this is the application that we just downloaded. So we'll copy that, and so on the desktop you do want to create a folder where you can store that. So I've copied that. I'll do Ctrl V to paste that. So once that's done, let's go back to Chrome, and our next application to download for this installation will be Microsoft Office Deployment Tools. So once you type this in, it will bring up options. So we want to do download official deployment tool from official Microsoft website. So we'll come here and do download. So that will download, and we want to go in there and right click that and do run as an administrator, because you want to run that as administrator in order to extract those files. So we'll do continue, and here is asking you for a folder to save. Remember, we made a folder earlier on the desktop. So you want to find that folder that you made on the desktop called Office and click OK to save that. So it tells you that the files has been successfully extracted. So now we'll close these applications, and now when we go into our file, we will see the setup and the configuration that we have worked. So I will go ahead and delete the file that is not inclusive in those files that you made. So right now we are almost done with installing our project. So the next thing to do is come down here under your search bar and type in cmd for command prompt, and you want to run that as administrator by right clicking. So we'll say OK, and then here let's go back to that folder because we will need the file path. So here, if you right click into that folder, you will see the file path. So you want to copy that because we need that to execute those applications that we've downloaded. So here we'll do cd space Ctrl V to paste that file path. So as you can see, we are now inside this file path right here. So next thing to do is to type in our execution command to run that application. So we'll do setup.exe / configure and give space, then type in configuration for one of those files in these. So we'll do configuration.xml. So once you have this, go ahead and enter that and allow that program to run. So that might take a couple times based on the speed of your internet connection. So we'll leave that to run, and once that's done, our program is successfully installed. So we'll wait a couple seconds for this to install. So here we can see that our office has been installed. So we'll go ahead and close that. So once we come here and type in project, we can see that Microsoft Office project is available. So close that and do next. So here you can sign in if you have an account, and then we have a project application. You can edit your work and keep using project. So I hope you did enjoy this tutorial today. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, share the video and like it, and stay up to date as new contents come in. Thanks for watching.